Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Arctic Fox 990. It is the bestseller, best floor plan that Northwood makes, Northwood Manufacturing out of La Grande, Oregon. Come on inside, let me show you. This is made for a long bed truck. It's going to have our Fox landing, easy step in and out, the large assist grab handle to help entry and exit, the friction hinge door. This is going to have the wet bath, nice big skylight, plenty of room to sit on the toilet, as well as room to shower. Over here on the curb side we have the dinette. This folds down with the new glide table. It'll make down into a bed real easy. It makes about a 6-foot bed lengthwise. This particular camper has dual pane windows. Nice larger refrigerator. Went to a little bit larger refrigerator for the 2019 model. Little storage compartment here for knickknacks that you might have. Nice big open bed area with a nice ceiling height above the bed, so when we get out of bed we got plenty of room to sit up. Full-size queen. Plenty of plug-ins and USBs and light switches on the bed, as well as storage. So when you're sitting up at the bed, getting out, we got plenty of height here with the new crowned roof. The overhead skylight. Above, all LED lights throughout. Command station here. So our on-off switches, everything is really accessible to get to. Onboard solar panel, stereo system, furnace controls, overhead cabinetry, all solid wood cabinet doors. 19s come with the new Basin Sink. It's a one-piece stainless steel sink. It's a real nice feature with a nice heavy-duty cutting board. There is an extension for the kitchen counter area here that stores inside the closet that will make up extra counter space here that will fit up here to give us more counter room, and easily stores inside the closet in the bedroom right here and snaps together so it doesn't rattle around. Nice big window here, another plug-in outlet here, as well as having a double outlet above the counter here, all lit, nice counter space. The stainless steel fronts on all of our appliances. 3-burner cooktop. Nice big oven. Backsplash around, makes it real easy for cleaning up messes. Got the pull-out pantry with all adjustable shelving. That'll lock into place, and then we have a fixed pantry, as you can see, that goes down in here. Drawers underneath and storage space underneath the dinette areas. Cabinet door on this side with a drawer on the other. A little bit of storage up underneath there. Nice thick linoleum flooring. Plywood in the floor, plywood in the roof. You know, they show 36 people standing on the roof at the factory on these Arctic Fox campers, so they're extremely durable. All aluminum frame with block tubing, or square tubing with solid wood core in the aluminum where a cabinet screws into, so it gives it a good bite and something to hold on to when it's on the wall itself. Nice big power awning out the back. Nice heavy-duty fold-up ladder to access the roof. Exterior speaker systems. This one's going to have the 2500 watt generator. 4-foot pull-out tray behind the step here for storage underneath in the basement area. Big Rico Titan camper jacks rated 2,500 pounds per jack per corner here. Notice how it's bolted on. Very solid unit being set up just on the jacks and not even on the truck. The curbside slide here, we got storage underneath the dinette area, folds up. We got a magnetic catch there to hold it up out of the way. They build their own walls, their own frame. They're basically one of the last true builders that actually build pretty much the whole camper in-house instead of relying on bits and pieces coming from everybody around. You'll notice the one piece wrap around here, no seams, just added protection that probably a lot less chance of having any leaks with no seams on there. Got the large bumpers, diamond plate down the sides, that way if we backing underneath, we hit it with the truck backing underneath, we're not going to put a hole in the wood, we're going to rub the metal, we can fix that, and or a lot less chance of actually damaging the metal. Gas and electric hot water heater with a quick recovery system, outside shower, battery trays with a pull out. We can put two 12 volts in there, or we can remove the tray to give us the height, and we can put actually two 6 volts in there if we need to. Along with having the generator for shore power, or power as well. Pre-wired for the ZAMP solar system. Pre-wire for your cabling and satellite system here. Shore cord. Notice that the Arctic Fox is going to have two large 7-gallon propane tanks, not the little 5s. The Arctic Fox camper is a little bit thicker wall and better insulated than most everybody else out there. Heavy duty tie downs on the camper. Storage or access space here for our pull valves and gate valves to do our dumping. Storage in the rear bumper as well, with an outlet here for 110. Again, all of our exterior lighting's all LED. Roof rack on the roof. Very, very nice camper. Has very large capacities for our tanks as well, being as it's a camper. Larger capacities than most as well. This is just one of our campers that we have in stock now. We have a large selection today of truck campers, so get them while they're here because they do move rather quickly. Again, my name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My direct line's 541-979-1770. That's Clay.Thompson at Guaranty RV Center. Make sure you ask for me and I'll give you all the service I can. Thank you and have a great day.